It is important to remember that in any research project there are two types of question. We have our research questions that help us to frame the research design and the answers to which provide the solutions to the problem that originally motivated the project. Then we have the specific questions we want to ask respondents in our sample. These are sometimes called investigative questions, and they must be carefully designed to provide the data we need to answer the research questions. A questionnaire is a particular data collection instrument used for this type of questioning. It contains a standardized, structured set of questions that are used to generate measures of the variables of interest in our study. You may develop the questions in your questionnaire yourself, but a preferred method is to use or adapt well-established and validated questions or measurement scales from existing research, of course always referencing the original source. When designing your questionnaire, you should think about the level of measurement you will need to use. For example, do you want to assign respondents into particular categories, such as male-female, or to measure something more complex, such as their level of satisfaction on a numerical scale? Careful thought also needs to be given to the format of questions and to how you will lay out the structure and order of the questionnaire itself. Responses can be gathered by inviting participants to complete the questionnaire themselves, or by a researcher asking the questions face-to-face or over the telephone. There are several advantages to using questionnaires that include the relatively low cost to administer, particularly now with online tools, the speed with which a large amount of data can be collected, and the opportunity for anonymity and confidentiality. However, there are also disadvantages to questionnaires. They can be fairly rigid and inflexible, and offer only a limited choice of responses, which may not fit the respondent's preferred answer. Also, depending on the manner of distribution, questionnaires may suffer from partial completion and low response rates. Despite these concerns, the questionnaire is a widely used technique in research today, and with the opportunities for online delivery, can be an efficient means of collecting data.